welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to all my oldie but goodies. Hi y'all. How y'all doing? How everyone doing? Guys, I'm so excited to be back to come and show you guys some goodies that I got for Black Friday shopping. So I told you guys before that I didn't do much Black Friday shopping. So what I did was got the things that I wanted online, and they finally came. The last package came today, and I'm here to share the things that I got with you guys. So anywho, as you guys can see, I have this Bestie Gang. It's like a headband, but it's more, she calls it a melter, which is for a lace front, or if your edges, you want to keep your edges slick and not moving. That's what it's for. So I purchased that, and I just wear it around the house. I just got it and I wanted to use it, but if you guys could see, these edges are still melted, baby. I just wanted to put it on. But this is one of the things that I got from the Black Friday sale. Although she had codes going on for you to get discounts and discounted prices and things. I didn't do much of that. I already been subscribed to her website, so I just used a normal code. Took a couple of bucks off and I kept it moving. But my first thing that I wanted to show you guys, I've been wanting this ever since I started a makeup channel. Ever since I started, but I was like, it's too pricey. I don't like the colors. It was just dragging. I was just dragging along to get it. And finally, I seen it on sale with Ulta and I grabbed it. Look what we have. We have the Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I just dropped the whole box on the floor, y'all. But we're going to open this up right away. And look at the packaging. Well, that's the outside, but this is the inside. This is what it's like outside the box. And it's like velvet. Yeah, the outside is like velvet. It's so nice and soft. It's very compact. Very compact. And it came with this, of course. You guys know that. And look. These are the shades. And I got it on sale. It was so nice. I grabbed it. It also came with this brush. It's like it's a blending brush, but it has two sides where one side you could blend with, and the other side I'm assuming you could shade with it. And yeah, this palette is originally like 40 something bucks. I got it for 29. We saving. I like this too. I really liked it. And it's very pigmented. Once I use it, we'll be back. You know it. Let's do swatches. As usual, I knew something would drop out the box, but I don't see what dropped. I don't see what dropped though. Can't see what dropped. Oh, yes, I do. I can see it. Hold on, you guys. Sorry about that. Okay, this is what dropped. This is a Bestie Gang. She sells glitters, and this is the Bestie Gang glitter. I do not want to open it because when I twist the cap off the first time, like glitter went everywhere. But this is a glitter, and I got it so we can start using this. This was in my last haul, and I ordered that just because I knew I was going to order some glitter, and I love it. It's nice. Last but not least, this is what we got. We officially have a Bestie Gang palette, And if you guys can see, I don't curse much. I do because I have a very foul mouth. But I don't curse much on here. I have different type of viewers. Kids, I'm sorry, I don't curse. But y'all see what it say. Kiss this whole ass. I love it. It's so cute. The packaging is cute. It's black, white. She has the red lipstick on with her gold teeth and pink writing. And I'm going to open it up to show you guys what it looked like. What it looked like. I'm excited about this palette. I am. Look how pretty, you guys. Look at those shades. Y'all know that I'm a colorful person, and these are my type of colors. I love it. I like it a lot. Well, guys, guess what? This was a quick video. That's it. That's all I have. I wanted to come and do my Black Friday unboxing with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time. Yeah.